Imagine that you can spend only $10 per month, and if your phone will run out of service, you can use satellite instead of your regular network. I think it is awesome, and today we're gonna talk about New Providence acquisition. It is a SPAC, and they merged it with AST and Science, and they're planning to cover the whole planet, and you wouldn't need any additional boxes like on Elon Musk internet. You can use it via just regular phone, and it will be truly 4G or 5G speeds on land, sea and flight. AST SpaceMobile, $1 trillion global mobile wireless service market, 5 billion mobile phones moving in and out of coverage, and 51% of population without mobile broadband. I think from time to time we all suffer from mobile coverage, and it is really annoying thing. Note that on a balance sheet, and the whole $1.3 billion of equity will go to launch the satellites and start to producing connection. And here you can see Abel Evelyn. I saw an interview with him. He looks like a really skillful guy, and if this company not a scam and nobody will punish them to use really huge satellites in the space, it is really possible. And the second idea that I really liked, that they will just partnership with whole operators like T-Mobile, Vodafone, and other big names. In Russia, they will definitely join to this network because they are using 50-50 revenue share. And if you are offering something to mobile operators, they are just taking this because they need to make more revenue. The third thing that they already has strategic investors like Vodafone and Rakuten. Rakuten, it is guys from Japan, and it is a first e-commerce platform in Asia outside China, American Towers and Samsung. And here you can see some competition, but I don't really think so. First of all, you can buy a specific phone for $1,000. Second thing, you can just buy big antenna, and with the same thing, it is a SpaceX from Elon Musk again, and AST SpaceMobile just want to use a regular phones. And market size over $1 trillion. It is really impressive. And we have LEO systems, but again you need a terminal, and it costs really a huge amount of money. And here you can see a prototype, and they want to use a satellite on 720 kilometers away from the surface. And the first problem that this satellite will be around 300 feet on 300 feet. If I'm not wrong, just write it in the comment section below, because it is really not a huge amount of information about AST SpaceMobile, because they don't want to get lots of competition from China guys, because they're just copying everything. But from my calculation, it is a unreally big thing, and the second thing that can be a problem for them, that right now you can see this image. It is how orbital satellites look like, and it is lots of them, and this it is not a real photo, but anyway, you can imagine as it first of all they can be easily damaged, and second, not really good thing, that they can make collisions and not really work good, because it is lots of other satellites in the space. Then they will just build a first network on equatorial countries, because you don't need a huge amount of satellites to start the first stage, and then they will just add more satellites, and this thing will be global. And here you can see some prediction in subscribers, 373 million subscribers on 2027. And here you can see how much it will cost for users. For not really good countries it will be around $1 or $2, and I think it is absolutely okay. And $10 per month for United States and Europe, I think it is super cheap, and I'm ready to spend $10 even I live in Russia. And here you can see projected EBITDA, it is close to $10 billion, and I really like it, because now you can buy this stock really cheap. Cash flow positive in 2023, it is a plus, and I don't think that we need to talk about these things too much, because $16 billion in EBITDA, I think everyone understands that it is amazing numbers. And now you can buy this pack for $11, but I think after my video it will be a little bit more, like 12 or 13 maybe. And now it is only around $2 billion. I think they can easily grow to 200 if they will be able to do this. I think it is definitely interesting, and I'm planning to buy some shares because I really want to participate in this huge amount of revenue, future revenue, but also we have some problems, and don't go all in on this stock, because now they started only 2 satellites, and it is in a test condition, and we don't see any good data. Maybe they will just fail to do this technology. The fourth not really good thing that they are not planning to use this technology like a regular thing, because you need lots of energy to do this, and we are not go anywhere from regular ground stations for our network. Like, subscribe, comment. See you later. Bye bye.